Should we go in the sun? Okay.
All right, hit me with it.
There definitely is still a speck of dust, but we're gonna... How's that?
That's pretty good. Let me bump up the ISO a little bit.
Okay. So today we are shooting a quick tutorial, just kind of a cool way to get that fizzy, like foamy shot for if you're shooting beverages or cans. So it's pretty simple and easy. You just use baking soda basically. I think we're gonna shoot this two ways, depending on your skill level. You could put the baking soda on top of the can, and when you crack it, it'll release the baking soda into the drink and then cause that reaction. You'd have to mask that out. So if you don't have those skills, you could already have the can cracked. You just spoon it in, back up, make sure you get the shot and do as many takes as you need. And then you've got your before and after shot that you could mask with. All right, let's shoot this. Okay, here's our models for today. We have Muse, which we've never tried before. It's I think like a healthy version of soda, so we're gonna try that. And so is Poppy, which I have tried before, but not these flavors. We wanna give this a little bit of a lift, so I had to buy something because we had already left the house. Okay, so for the first shot, we're gonna try just putting the baking soda right on top of the can and then cracking the can to release it. I'm feeling like we need a lot, but I'm gonna scoop some of this off. Three, two, one. Okay. Nice. How much did I put in there? A lot. All right, let's try it. Oh shoot, this isn't gonna work. Wow, a freaking mess. I think for that take it was too much baking soda because it was just over the top. So we're gonna try again. We're also gonna switch our angle to more of a straight on angle because I think we're showing too much of the top of the can. It's gonna be really tough to hide the excess baking soda. I don't know if we have to use this.
Let's see if it's actually the hype that they say it is.